In this video we are solving the problem, a very famous problem, edit distance. I hope you have read the problem statement. I am just going through the operation we can apply. Add one character, we can add one character, remove one character, and replace one character in the string. You have to find the minimum number of operations you have to perform to convert one string to another string. Here, if you want to convert love to movie, you need to apply two operations on the love. Okay, here the operations are add, remove, and replace. Okay, and you want to convert one string to another string using these operations. Okay, so how can you do this with the minimum number? And we have to find the minimum number of operations required to convert s1 to s2. So first you have to understand that you can apply the operation only on the s1. Okay, so dp, we will definitely use dp, so we need to use 2 dp of ij will store the minimum number of operations required to convert the substring from s1 0 to I to s2 0 to j. I hope you get this. So we will try every possible operation and take the minimum of that. Okay, so first understand what each operation means. Like that, you want to convert L into M. So if you you will definitely add M so that you get a matching pair, and you left out to match L and a empty string. Like I said, M and L, you have M and L, you want to convert L to M. If you add an index or if you add an character, you will definitely add the matching character, or you will definitely add a M, L. So then you need to delete it, okay, or match with the character before it. Okay, I will say why I said that. Replace, if M and L, you will replace, you want to convert L to M, so you will definitely replace L with M to match the characters. Remove, if you remove, you will definitely remove from the string where you are applying the operations. Now how can we formulate it? So the given input is empty string movie, empty string love. Let's see, the cells are like that, and you are working on it. If you add a character, I said you will add like that M L, and after adding it will become like that, and you will check L in this string, this remaining string. So when you add, you check from the, you shift the pointer here, so as the string is column wise, so if you change the pointer or decrease the pointer will go here, and we will calculate that we will add 1 to this value and store here. If you remove, you will definitely remove from this row wise, and after you remove this it will go to this. So when you use the operation remove, you will come from here and add 1. If you replace, I said if you replace, you will definitely replace y with x, so you just need to compare the string before it. So the if you truncate one string from both, you will go here and go here, so you will come here and add 1. Or if it's a matching pair mm, you just check the before string, so you just copy the value here. So let's fill the TP table and understand what I said. You have an empty string, you want to convert the empty string to an empty string, so no operation needed. You want to convert the empty string into m, so you need to add m, so one operation. You want to convert an empty string to mo, so you need to add 2 characters, so 2, and it's come before. Okay, from here you want to convert an empty string to mov, so it's 3, it's 4, it's 5. I hope you got that. You want to convert empty string to empty string 0. You want to convert L to empty string, you have to delete it. Delete means you have to come from here, this plus 1. If you want to convert LO to the empty string, you have to delete means come from above, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you get that. Now let's check here. L, you want to convert L to M, you have 3 options: add, remove and replace. If you add, you have to come from here, it will be 2. If you remove, it will come from here, and if you replace, it will come from here, and minimum is 2 to 1. Okay, now you want to convert L to MO. L and O are not same. L and O are not same, so you have 3 options. If you add, you have to come from here. If you remove, you have to come from here. If you replace, you have to come from here. After adding 1, the minimum is 2. You can come from here and you can come from here. So just filling it. L and V not equal, so same strategy. 3. L and I are not same, the same strategy. L and E not same, same strategy. O and M not same, same strategy. O and V, O and O same, so just copy the value here, copy the value of this here. O and V not same, so minimum. O and minimum of the 3 operation. O and I not same, O and E not same. V and M not same, V and O not same, V and V same, so just copy the value here. V and I are not same, just minimum of these 3 operations, minimum of these 3 operations. V and E not same, then minimum of these 3. E and M not same, minimum operation. E and O not same, minimum operation. E and V not same, minimum operation. E and I are not same, minimum operation. Sorry, minimum operation is 2. E and E same, so copy the value here. So the minimum number of operations are 2. You can see here the minimum number is operations are 2. Let's see the code. Just you are given 2 strings, string 1, string 2. Just take their size and make the matrix of n into m, and that's what I said, show the base case. These are the base case. So dp of I0 into I into 1, dp of 0i into I into 1, and for every cell. If both matched, just copy the value from the from the diagonal, else check 3 operations and take the minimum of them, and this is the answer.